I've been in Bangkok about a year and a half now, and considering making another move, maybe to her house. Over at my condo here, lots and lots of noise certain days, and they're about to start a huge project building a hotel right in earshot from my condo window. And I'm home a lot during the day, and I do work on the computer and do different things, and I can't be dealing with all this noise. So considering going to stay at her place, but her house a little Thai style, and if I'm going to stay there, it's got to be my style. So today we are heading to a home show, sort of a home and garden show at Bitec, which is out near Bang Na. I've been looking at different areas to maybe install my TV, make an office, make a home studio, some different things if I stay out there, which would be on like the outer edge of Bangkok, very local. So we're gonna hop on the BTS and go check out this show. 2 weeks ago I took you guys to an exhibition and Queen Circuit Convention Center. Well, this time we're at Bitec at the Bang Na exit, and this place is friggin' huge. I think it's bigger. That's it over there. And you just get off at Bang Na, and there's a walkway going over Sukhumvit Road and an entrance that takes you right into the convention center back here. But you can see it's friggin' huge. We'll get in there, and I gotta grab some coffee. She's asking me, where's the show? Where's the show? I said, it's a long walk to the back of this convention center. This place is huge. Show you guys the new Mall of Bangkok and the new stadium. Look at that. It's starting to come along, huh? That's going to be the new mall, and that's, I think, like maybe an 11 or 14,000 seat stadium. Concerts and sporting events. That'd be pretty cool. And I'm gonna get a coffee, I think, here at Tim Hortons. Buddy cop. Okay, you want something, Tim Hortons? Sorry? Timmy's? You have Timmy before? No. This Canadian coffee. Yeah, we have this in America by my house and where I live in America. I haven't had Tim Hortons coffee in a while. This Timmy's is just as expensive as Starbucks. Maybe because we're in the convention center, maybe because it's a Western brand here in Thailand. But by my house, I would go to Tim Hortons to pay less for coffee than Starbucks, but same price here. About, what am I paying? About $140, almost $5 for coffee. All right, it's the Waruni's first time trying Tim Hortons. How is it?
อร่อยค่ะ
Coffee's good, pretty strong tasting. Panini, very cheesy. I got the chicken spinach cheesy panini. It's actually very tasty.
อร่อยไหม
Huh?
อร่อยมาก
Good, yeah. Surprisingly, very tasty. So here's the layout for the show here. I was here last week, and it was a different home show, and it was like only like just right here, but oh my god, it's just friggin' huge this week. Good thing I didn't do my steps ahead of time, because we're gonna start at the very end down here and just work our way up and down every aisle. So should be getting some good exercise today in here. This is way better than walking outside in the heat. All right, look at that. Oh my god, look how far down that goes. And then this way, yeah, we'll start down here and then go up and down all the aisles. That'll give us our 10,000 steps maybe. Hey, is our 10,000 steps going to cost me $10,000 when you want to buy something? Don't get no ideas. All right, we'll start here. Sample salad. Oh, kapkun kat. Oh.
It's banana.
Oh, banana.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. I didn't know there's food and free samples here. Maybe we should have ended here at this time. Look at those sausages. Oh, long gone. Wow. No, they didn't have any food here last week. Look at all this. Keep walking. What is that?
ปลาส้ม
Chicken or no?
fish
Fish?
yeah เนี่ย
What is that, fish?
ใช่
เป็นไวน์ได้นะคะไวน์ออร์แกนิกนะคะ
Oh my God. Too bad we just ate.
why we not come here for like
I
eat
didn't know they had food in here, babe. Oh, they have seating here too, so yeah, I may have to come back and get this this pork. Look at that. Look how delicious that looks. Wow.
แต่ว่าห่างเงี้ยมันไม่ร้อนนะครับเพราะว่ามันโดนลมแต่ว่าถ้าโดนตกปลาเนี่ย
It's for detailing cars, little kit. The only bad thing about this show is people are like vultures, man. They're like blah 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 blah. They just want to talk to you. Come and look, come and look, come and look. I will look if I like. I will look. Don't worry. I will come and look if I like. Here we go. I will look if I like. So this is what we're kind of interested in, these built-in things. Like this one's for bedroom. I don't really like this like glassy style. We want something that's closed maybe. Oh, she has catalog. Look, okay. Oh, we've talked to so many people already. This is like furniture and remodel overload. Comfortable? Comfortable? No. Too similar, huh? Check out this room. You want to paint black? I like this. Nice. Oh, like this, yeah. Oh, that's nice, yeah. With TV here in middle.
Bitec said she have a design and renovate this house for foreigner to come to Thailand for live long stay, like retirement from foreigner or something. You can have the
old house
Wow.
near the river, right?
ใช่
Oh.
บางบัวทองนนทบุรี
Oh, not hard.
ใช่
Look to the Thai tradition.
So cool. Yeah, she's interior decorator.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
good. So this should be my area here. I might have to get a saw. I might be in the market for a saw soon. Oh, this is what I need right here. I need this right now. My legs are killing me already. So what do we got here? Some mini houses, I think. Eco house. We could put one of these up in Isan here. A little eco house. So we would just put this right on your little lot in Isan. I wonder how much the eco house cost. Look at this. Desk with bathroom. So it's just a little studio with no shower here. Pretty cool, huh? $1,000. Wow, check out this little fishing rig here. Little kayak fishing rig. Very cool. Holy cow. Little bicycle pontoon. So in the very back of the convention center is this restaurant, Gaia. And look how nice there. They brought us little appetizers.
Which station is not far? The not central.
I don't know what it is, but it's good. Some sort of nutty fruity something. Okay. All right, so here's our lunch. Got this chicken curry with palm hearts. I think this is some sort of Malaysian dish. And squid soup. A lentil dip to go with the roti. Nice. Look good, huh? Let me try this chicken curry. Oh, wow, that is some serious power in that curry. Spicy too. Wow. Delicious. Let's try the lentil. I'll show you guys around. I tried to find this place before with my friends a long time ago, and we could not find it. It is like you got to go through like a hidden jungle in this place to find it. This place is just gigantic, and who knew that this huge area even existed in the back? I'll show it to you guys in a minute. So check out this place. Very open area, gardeny. It's actually the garden center out there. I'll show you the outside in a second, but they have outdoor seating. Pay here? Oh, I have to go pay. So the restaurant leads right out to this huge garden center. Another restaurant over here looks like a Mukata hot pot place. Then you go out these doors, down this, I'll show you, down this vegetative hallway into the convention center. This is like a greenhouse back here. Let me just show you the menu real quick. You can see a lot of Malaysian stir fry with mango, Indonesian food, spicy. This is a clam curry. That looks really good. So that's what I got right there, the chicken and palm heart curry. I love palm hearts. I love artichoke hearts too. Those are good. Let's go look. Let's go walk around. Look. This whole thing one big like Mukata hot pot. Boy. And then it leads into, there's a gym over here. I mean, this place is just massive. This is probably one of the biggest buildings around. I don't know. Not high, but long. I don't think there's a longer building in Bangkok than this one. Look at this little sandy play center for kids in here. You just never know what you're going to find in Thailand and Bangkok. This is wild. Holy cow, look at this play center back here. There's slides, like huge like video games. This is just wild. All kinds of those like blow up bouncy things. Look at, they got these things you can go on these balls and bounce around and knock into each other. Check this out. Look at this. This is what those guys think Anatoly's using. Oh, oh. So this is the exit here. So you go through this door that closes, so you can't even tell what's there. Then you go through this place, and then out back into the convention hall over there. It's pretty wild. I just did some research, and this place is 70,000 square meters, which is like 700 and almost 750,000 square feet. So pretty big, I guess. I don't know how that compares to some of the American convention centers, but it's a damn big place. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got some numbers, made some contacts, got some different ideas at the home show. Some pretty expensive companies here for built-ins, like built-in wardrobe, built-in TV centers. Pricey. I got a company coming to give me an estimate on Tuesday, so we'll see. All right, keep following. If you're into seeing a home renovation in Thailand, keep following. I may do that. That may be coming soon.